Good day, everyone. I am Jan Ivan C. Maurat from the College of Computing and Information Technologies at National University Philippines. Today, I'll be presenting my research titled Assessing the Impact of Virtual Laboratories on Learning Engagement and Academic Performance Among University Students. This study examined how the virtual laboratories influence both student engagement and academic outcomes, particularly in technology and engineering programs. For the introduction, virtual laboratories have become more essential in a modern education, specifically with the STEM discipline. They simulate real-world laboratory environment and provide safe, cost-effective, and flexible platform for students to experiment and learn their own pace. However, while virtual labs are widely used, there remains a need to assess their true educational value, particularly their impact on the learning engagement and academic performance. This study aims to fill the gap by examining how the virtual laboratories enhance student participation and improve the learning outcomes. For the background and rationale, the shift toward online and blended learning accelerated by the COVID-19 pandemic has made digital tools such as virtual lab increasingly important. Learning engagement, which includes behavioral, emotional, and cognitive dimension, is one of the strongest predictor of academic success. Most existing research focuses on usability and technical aspect of the virtual laboratories, but few studies analyze how these tools actually influence the engagement and learning outcomes. This research bridged the gap using the quantitative and the statistical analysis to improve empirical evidence of their pedagogical effectiveness. For the theoretical foundation, this study is anchored on two theoretical frameworks. First is the constructivist learning theory, which states that the learning occurs when the student actively construct knowledge through experience and reflection. Virtual labs embody this principle by encouraging inquiry, experimentation, and problem solving. Second, the engagement framework by Fredericks et al., which indicates engagement across three interacting dimensions: behavioral, emotional, and cognitive. Together, these frameworks explain how the virtual lab enhance learning by allowing the student actively explore and reflect and apply knowledge. Now, for the statement of the problem, this study seeks to answer one central question: how do virtual laboratories influence learning engagement and academic performance among university students? To explore this, the study specifically asks, do the student shows improved performance after using the virtual lab? And what is the relationship between the engagement level and academic outcomes? And number three, how do factors such as discipline, lab hours, and course alignment influence the learning result? Now, for the objective of the study, the general objective of this research is to evaluate the effect of virtual lab on the student engagement and academic performance. The specific objectives are: first is measure the changes in academic performance before and after using the virtual lab. Second is assess the level of behavioral, emotional, and cognitive engagement. Third is to determine the correlation between the engagement and academic improvement. And lastly, examine how the course alignment and lab usage time affect the learning outcomes. For the significance of the study, this study provides a valuable insight for the several stakeholders. First is for the educators. It offers a empirical evidence on the effectiveness of the virtual laboratory for the students' learning. And also for the curriculum developers, it helps to design more engaging and interactive digital learning environment. And also for the policymakers and institution, it informs decision making regarding the technology integration in education. Finally, it contributes to the growing field of technology, enhanced and remote learning research. For the review of related literature, as you can see, previous studies have shown that virtual lab can enhance conceptual understanding, motivation, and self-directed learning. Blended learning models that combine the physical and virtual lab tend to improve retention and comprehension. Gamified or scenario-based modules further enhance engagement, while system usability and instructional design remain critical for success. In addition, virtual lab promotes collaboration, inclusivity, sustainability, making them vital tool for equitable education. For the methodology, this study employed a quantitative or cross-sectional research design with a total of 534 students from the computer science, information technology, and engineering programs participated. The instrument used were the pre-test and post-test to measure the academic performance gain, an engagement survey assessing the behavioral, emotional, and cognitive factors, system logs to record time spent in virtual lab, and the data were analyzed using descriptive statistics, paired t-test, and the Pearson correlation through SPSS with a significance level of 0.05. All instruments demonstrated strong reliability with the Cronbach's alpha greater than 0.85. The results overview. The results revealed several key findings. First, it showed significant improvement in their post-test score compared to their pre-test result. Engagement levels were positively correlated with learning gains. The more time students spend in virtual lab, the higher their post-test score. And small differences were observed across discipline, with technology-related courses achieving highest gain due to better alignment with the lab activities. This is an example of distribution of pretest and post scores. The distribution of pretest and post score shows a noticeable rightward shift, meaning the overall academic performance improved significantly after the use of virtual lab. It indicates that students not only learn from the experience but also retain and apply their knowledge effectively. For the engagement and performance gain, a strong positive relationship was found between engagement levels and performance gain. Students who are more behaviorally, emotionally, and cognitively engaged perform better academically. This supports the idea that engagement is a crucial factor in maximizing the educational benefits of the virtual laboratory. Now, with regards to the course-based comparison, when comparing the result by discipline, computer science, IT students slightly outperform others. This may be attributed to alignment between the virtual requirement as well as higher familiarity with the digital tools interfaces. Correlation metrics. The correlation matrix further illustrates strong relationship among key variables, engagement, lab usage time, and performance gains. This confirmed that the students who spend more time engaging with the virtual lab are more likely to achieve better academic outcomes. That a lab hours increase, test scores also rise. This supports on-time task principle, which suggests that consistent and active engagement directly contributes to better learning result. Statistical findings, statistical analysis confirm the significance of these findings. The peer test shows statistically significant improvement in the academic performance after using the virtual lab. The Pearson correlation result demonstrates a strong positive relationship between the engagement and academic gains, meaning the engagement explains a substantial portion of the variance in performance outcomes, validating the educational value of virtual laboratories. For the discussion, in summary, virtual lab positively impact both engagement and academic performance. Students benefit from interactive, feedback-driven learning environments that promote curiosity and autonomy. Course relevance and quality of lab design is also influence effectiveness. Time on task effect proves consistent. Students who spend more time exploring virtual lab perform better. Virtual labs are scalable, inclusive, adaptable, and making them ideal for diverse learning contexts. To conclude with our research, the study concludes that virtual laboratories significantly enhance the learning engagement and academic performance among university students. The positive correlation between engagement and achievement highlights their strong pedagogical potential. By fostering autonomy, motivation, and deeper understanding, virtual lab can transform digital learning experience and improve academic outcomes in higher education. Recommendations based on the finding, these are the several recommendations are proposed. Promote wider adoption of virtual lab in STEM program. Enhance engagement features through gamification, feedback system, and usability improvement. Provide faculty training to effectively integrate virtual lab into teaching. Conduct longitudinal studies to examine long-term knowledge retention skill transfer. And also apply AI-based personalization for adaptive learning experience. Ensure the equitable access to digital resources and technical support for all students. What will be the implementations for practice? For educational institution, investing in infrastructure and digital literacy is essential. Developers should focus on user-centered design to ensure accessibility and interactivity. And educators must leverage analytics to monitor engagement and provide personalized feedback. Overall, this study encouraged a shift from passive learning toward active, experiential, and data-informed education models. These are the references, or the key references include studies by Smith and Jones on virtual lab education, Fredericks et al. On engagement theory, Taylor and Green on virtual lab effectiveness, and Johnson on gamification and online engagement. And that's conclude my presentation. And I would like to end with this statement. Virtual laboratories empower the learners to explore, experiment, and excel anytime and anywhere. For any questions or further discussion, you may reach me at jcmaurat at national-u.edu.ph. Thank you very much, and that's it.